Welcome to Green Thumb Magic, mastering creative cuttings for thriving plants. Are you tired of spending too much money on buying new plants? Well, we have a solution for you. With creative cuttings, you can easily grow new plants from your existing ones. It's a magical process that will help you expand your indoor garden without breaking the bank. First, start by selecting a healthy stem from your favorite plant. Make sure it has several leaf nodes and is at least 6 inches long. Next, remove the lower leaves, leaving only a few at the top. This will help the cutting focus on growing roots instead of supporting excessive foliage. Apply some rooting hormone to the end of the stem to promote root development. Then, place the cutting in a vase or jar filled with clean water. Now, place the cutting in a bright location, but away from direct sunlight. Make sure to change the water every few days to prevent it from becoming stagnant. After a few weeks, you'll notice tiny roots starting to emerge from the cutting. This is a good sign that it's ready to be transferred to a pot with soil. Gently plant the cutting in a well-draining potting mix, ensuring that the roots are covered and the stem is secure. Water the soil lightly and place the pot in a warm, well-lit area. Make sure to mist the leaves regularly to provide the necessary moisture for your cutting to thrive. In just a few weeks, your cutting will transform into a healthy, new plant. It's like witnessing a magic trick right in your own home. So, why spend a fortune on new plants when you can create them yourself? With creative cuttings, you'll become a true green thumb magician. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!